Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, we talked about it a few times. Microsoft, I think, needs to still talk about it. I guess they're getting a lot of comments from users on that. And here, too, I'm getting some regular messages. We talked about Secure Boot and the Secure Boot keys that should be coming through Windows Update for most machines, not everybody. But some people are still stuck. They're going to see their Windows Security app. They go to Device Security, and the Secure Boot says that the certificates are expired. They don't find anything on their manufacturer website. They don't have the Secure Boot keys or key exchanges coming through Windows Update. So they're kind of afraid that maybe they won't have anything. Microsoft today has reissued another warning, another little blog post saying their rollout of Secure Boot through Windows Update is not done yet. Now they are saying that there are machines that will have to be done manually in some different way. There are machines that there might be things you need to do in order for the Secure Boot key to arrive. But if you have nothing special happening, if you're simply seeing that Secure Boot certificates are outdated, hang in there. They are saying that it could take until the end of the year and even up to the beginning of next year for all certificates to be updated through Windows Updates. And this has been going on for a while. They started pushing the new Secure Boot certificates way back in 2024. And I think this is actually showing how it's a delicate and difficult task to update PCs with boot certificates. So I guess they really are taking their time to make sure that they don't cause any issues with your PC not starting, things like that. So if you still don't have them, if you don't have any warning from your manufacturer, because there are some that have information, like my Acer computer was saying that it was not going to receive it through Windows Update, and that I need to, do it manually or in a different way. Go to the manufacturer webpage. I actually posted a video a few weeks back about things to do and how to check your different manufacturers for Secure Boot. Maybe I should repost a link to that video in the description of this one so that you guys can go and check it out. But overall, Microsoft says, hang in there. Your PC is not going to stop working. Your PC is going to be fine. It can still take many months before a Secure Boot update for the certificate happens on your PC if it hasn't been done yet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.